we hop into the reason why I wanted to film this video, I want to start off by saying I appreciate you all for supporting me when I started this channel last year. You guys have been very supportive with the views, the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions. And I ask that you guys keep up that same energy and momentum for this year, because it really does help me and it helps my channel. So every time you watch a video, if you're not busy, go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and when you're done watching the video, leave a comment below. I would love to know your thoughts about the video and to hear from you, okay? This video that I'm recording right now is regarding my locks. I want to try a new style on my locks, switch it up, something convenient, something cute, something that I'll probably keep in for the week. I should take off my glasses. Woo! Your eyes ever just need a break? Cause mine do. Okay. So I want to try a loc Mohawk style. I'm gonna freestyle it. We're gonna see how it goes. And the reason why I'm doing this style is because it's winter, it's cold. I don't really want my hair to be down, hence why my hair is up right now in this messy bun. And it's starting to snow here in Chicago, and that's a whole nother topic for a different day. But I want my hair to be cute, you know, each day. I don't want to just always have to do the messy bun, even though that is my favorite go-to style. Let's switch it up. So we're gonna try a Mohawk style, see how that goes. You guys are gonna be the first ones to see it, maybe. No, Instagram might see it first, we'll see. But no more long talking, let's get straight into this video. First things first, I retwisted my locks last night on New Year's Eve, so they're freshly retwisted. This morning I just pulled it up in this messy bun before I started working for the day, and now I'm just taking it out. I should probably take this hoodie off. Give me a second. Okay, so my locks are down, and the only products I'm gonna be using, materials I'll be using, are my rubber bands and my bobby pins. I am going to section off my hair into, let's do the first section first. So we'll do the first section in the back. Okay, so I have this part sectioned off right here. I don't know if it's straight, but it kind of feels like it, so we're gonna go with it. So I have this part sectioned off, and I'm gonna get a rubber band, and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Tie it around 3 times, and I'm gonna leave it in a ponytail for now. And now I'm gonna repeat the same thing with the second section in my hair. Then with this middle section, I'm gonna do the same thing. Smooth it out, put it in a ponytail. Okay, so now I have 2 ponytails. Towards the back. So with the last section at the top, I'm going to take some hair from it to leave out, and then I'm going to pull the rest back into a ponytail. So now I have 3 ponytails, 1, 2, and 3. I'm a 2-strand twist the front. Okay, I'm back. So I actually decided to do them in loc knots instead in the front, just to add a little razzle dazzle. Again, I have no clue where I'm headed with this. I just know what the end goal is, okay? The end goal is to have a cute little mohawk. So that's that. Okay, so I'm finishing up the last 2 strand twists to do the loc knot at the bottom. And if you're unsure of how to do loc knots, I've done a video on that. Check my description box below. I'll post a link to that video there so you can check that out. All right, so I have the loc knots in the front. Now for the 3 ponytails back here, I'm thinking about just twisting them, wrapping them around and pinning them down. So let me show you. Right now I'm just getting some bobby pins out and ready so I can grab and pin, but I split it in 2. And I'm just going to twist this. And it doesn't have to be too tight. Just want to form a nice little twist. Straight to the point. And stylish. What do you guys think? Let me come closer. And knowing me, I'll probably pull my hair to the side like this. And then like this. Oh, what do you guys think? Comment down below what you would have done differently. Comment down below with what you would have done with these 2 ponytails back here. Comment down below. Tell me if you would have did bangs or no bangs. Comment down below. Tell me if you would have done just 2 strand twists instead of the loc knots. Comment down below. Just let me know your thoughts. I'm interested in hearing them, but this is a freestyle locstyle. And I ain't mad at it. I mean, hey, it look good for what it is. So this is how I'll be wearing it. What's today? Dang. Today's Saturday, so I'll wear it like this tomorrow, Sunday. And maybe Monday, but we'll see. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you're not already, because I might post some pictures of this style on IG. I can be found at Octavia.Darling on Instagram. Make sure you follow me. Message me, let me know that you found me on YouTube. I'll check out your page, show you some love as well. So thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, my first YouTube video of 2022. Again, I am so excited for this year. I hope you guys are as well. And I look forward to creating more content and getting to know my new subscribers and just trying out new things. So